Liebherr Biomedical, compact series controller, support video. This video is to show you how to set up a keypad lock function and activate it and deactivate it. So the first thing you must do is set up a PIN code for your locking mechanism. So to do that, you must enter the settings log. That is via the bell button with a diagonal line above my finger. I'm going to depress that and hold it down for 5 seconds. And in the screen you get \5 with the spanner symbol to tell me I'm now in the settings log. If I arrow down to P1, that is now the setting I want to get to set a keypad lock function. If I press enter, what would happen out of the factory that would be set at 0, so i.e. there is no pin lock. At the moment I've set this device up with one, which is the number 5. I've changed it up and down, and you can change it anything between 1 and 999. So in this circumstance I'll just make it the number 6. I'm happy with that, and I'll press enter to say that's what I want, and I'll now exit the log correctly by the bell button or diagonal line, and that will store my number. C and F is confirm, and now I'm back in normal operating mode. So now I've set a pin number of 6 to do a key lock. So now I'm going to lock the device, and how I do that is the symbol here of the lock. I'm going to hold it down and continue to hold it till 0 comes in the screen, at which stage I now must give the code set, which I set at 6. So I put 6 in there and I hold down enter, and the little letters LOC entered. Now what will happen now is if I wish to change settings on this device, I wish to change the set temperature, you can see it won't allow me to do it. It's locked. If I wish to go into the settings, I can still do that and go enter, but it's locked. So I can get into the settings, but I can't do anything there. So I'll exit it out. However, what I can do is I can still access my alarm and temperature logs. So I can come in here and I can read my high, low and high temperatures, the temperature alarms. I can go into and read my high, where there's alarms activated, and I can adjust them if I wish to. So if I want to, for example, reset a temperature log, which is done while I'm in RT, press enter and hold the arrow down button, you will see that will allow me to reset that. If I wish, there's a temperature alarm flashing and I wish to reset it, and that is done by holding down the log button and the arrow up button together, you will see that it will allow me to reset. So I can access my alarm logs and reset them. I can access my temperature logs and reset them. What I cannot do is I cannot change settings on the device while it is locked. To activate the lock, I simply hold down the lock button. If locked, I activate by holding down the lock button. It'll come again with the letter 0. I'll put my code in and press enter, and now it says unlocked, and I've unlocked the device. And now to demonstrate, I will show you I can change my set temperature by holding down the enter button. The temperature flashes, and I'll raise the temperature to 5.5 degrees, and now I've set and changed the temperature. And that is how you set a keypad lock. That is how you then lock it or activate it.